Hello guys, welcome back to our math video tutorials. Now we are talking about distance word problems, so let's get started. For our word problem number 1, a train travels at a speed of 60 miles per hour. How far will it travel in 3 hours? So before we proceed, let us review first the formula that we are going to use. Since we're looking for the distance, using the triangle formula, distance over speed and time. Just remove the unit for distance, and all that is left is speed and time. So in this case, we're going to multiply them. So now let us write all the given values. For speed, we have 60 miles per hour. For the time, we have 3 hours. Then, substitute all the given values into our formula. Distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. So 60 times 3 is equal to 180. Therefore, the distance made by the train is 180 miles. Let's have problem number 2. A cyclist rides for 2.5 hours at an average speed of 12 miles per hour. How far does the cyclist travel? We are looking for the distance. Recall the formula, which is speed multiplied by time. Let us first identify all the given values. For the time, we have 2.5 hours. For the speed, we have 12 miles per hour. To get the total distance traveled, 12 times 2.5 is 30. Therefore, the total distance traveled by a cyclist is 30 miles. John and Sarah start from opposite ends of a 200-mile highway and travel towards each other. John drives at a speed of 60 miles per hour, while Sarah drives at a speed of 50 miles per hour. How long will it take for them to meet? First is to define variables. Let d sub j be the distance John travels before meeting Sarah, and let d sub s be the distance Sarah travels before meeting John, since they start from opposite ends of the highway and travel towards each other therefore. The distance John traveled plus the distance Sarah traveled is equal to 200. So d sub j plus d sub s is 200. Next is to set up equations based on distance and speed. So the time of John is equal to d over 60, while for Sarah we have d over 50. They will meet when t sub j is equal to t sub s. So now, let us relate the distances and solve. T sub j is equal to t sub s. D sub j over 60 is equal to d sub s over 50. Substitute d sub s into 200 minus d sub j. So we can only have one variable, which is d sub j. Next is to cross multiply. D sub j times 50 is 50 sub j. Then 60 times 200 is 12,000. And 60 times d sub j is 60d sub j. And then isolate the equation to get d sub j. So 12,000 divided by 60 plus 50 or 110 is equal to 109.09. Therefore, the distance of John will 109.09 miles. For the time they will meet, we will use the formula of John's time, t sub j or d sub j over 60. So 109.09 divided by 60 is 1.82. Therefore, the time need to meet John and Sarah at the opposite end of the road is 1.82 hours.